Hi guys, if you wanna be making this soft pudding-like slime, it's kind of like stretchy but it's also fluffy. Let me show you the recipe to this. Guys, we're going to start off by adding 1 spoon of glue. Oh my god. Oh god. 1 spoon of glue, guys. Ah. Gotcha. Guys. So 1 spoon of glue is done. Guys, don't worry about the mess because I have a lot of stuff going in here. And then we're going to add 2 spoons of water. Guys, let me just go get my water. So guys, let's add our water. Water. Actually guys, we have to add 4 spoons. Actually 3 guys, I'm just so confused right now. Because I kept my recipe book in my recipe book. I just lost it. So now we're gonna mix it. So make sure like all of it, like the glue is mixed up with the wire. And it's kind of like wire but not kind of sticky. Kind of like thick. Just gonna add some. Yeah, now we're going to add shaving foam, guys. So after we're done mixing, we have to add like approximately 1 spoon of shaving foam. And we're going to mix it up. Okay, I don't know. So you're supposed to get this type of consistency. Now we're going to add activator. So guys, I'm just adding the activator. Now we're going to like mix it up. Mix and now we have to keep on mixing it. Let me show you. This is my final result. Look at this pudding like beautiful.